Alright, let's start with introduction. The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a complex network of organs and vessels responsible for transporting blood, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, and blood. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body, while blood vessels carry the blood to and from the heart. This system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, regulating body temperature, and supporting overall health and function.
Structure anatomy of the cardiovascular system. As we can see from the picture, number 1 is superior vena cava, number 2 is inferior vena cava, number 3 is right atrium. The right atrium forms the right border of the heart and receives blood from 3 veins: superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. Number 4 is tricuspid valve. It controls the flow of the blood from the heart's right atrium, top chamber, to the right ventricle, bottom chamber. Number 5 is right ventricle. It forms most of the anterior surface of the heart. Number 6 is chordae tendineae, a tendon-like cords connected to the coops of the tricuspid valve. Number 7 is papillary muscles, bundles of cardiac muscle fibers within the cavity of ventricles attached to the walls. Number 8 is pulmonary semilunar valve. It controls the flow of oxygen-poor blood from the heart to the lungs. You can think of this valve as the door between right ventricle, lower right heart chamber, and main pulmonary artery, also called as pulmonary trunk. Number 9 is the pulmonary trunk. Number 10 are left pulmonary arteries, blood vessels that carry oxygen-poor blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs. Number 11 are pulmonary veins. These veins carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Number 12 is left atrium. It is about the same thickness as the right atrium and forms most of the base of the heart. It receives blood from the lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. Number 13 is bicuspid valve. It controls the flow of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Number 14 is left ventricle, the thickest chamber of the heart and forms the apex of the heart. Number 15 is aortic semilunar valve. It is between the left ventricle and the aorta to ensure that oxygen-rich blood does not flow back into the left ventricle. And the last one, number 16, is aorta. The aorta is the largest artery of the body and carries blood from the heart to the circulatory system. It has so many sections, which are aortic root, aortic valve, ascending aorta, aortic arch, and descending aorta.
Next, what did the circulatory system do? The circulatory system function is to move blood throughout the body. This blood circulation keeps organs, muscle, and tissue healthy and working to keep you alive. The circulatory system also helps your body to get rid of waste products. The waste includes carbon dioxide from respiration, breathing, other chemical byproduct from your organs, waste from things you eat and drink, circulate oxygen and remove carbon dioxide, provide cells with nutrients, remove the waste products of metabolism to the excretory organs for disposal, protect the body against disease and infection, put stop bleeding after injury, transport hormones to target cell and organ, and its help regulate body temperature.
Next, blood flow in circulatory system. The cycle of blood flow through the heart includes the following steps. First, the lungs add oxygen to the blood. Second, the oxygen-rich blood enters to the left atrium and it's pumped to the left ventricle. Third, the left ventricle generates high pressure to pump the blood to the body through blood vessels. Fourth, the blood travels through the aorta, a large artery, to the rest of the body. Fifth, the blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Sixth, the heart pushes the blood to the brain and extremities. And the last one, the heart transports oxygen or blood from the brain and extremities to the lung. The circulatory system, also known as a cardiovascular system, is responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products throughout the body. Blood flow within the system is crucial for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring the proper functioning of organs and tissues. Here's an overview of how blood flows through the circulatory system. This cycle of circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to tissues while waste products are removed, helping to sustain the body's vital function. It's important to note that blood flow is regulated by various factors, including the autonomic nervous system, hormones, and local chemical factors to meet the changing metabolic needs of different tissues and organs.
So next I will talk about abnormal condition of heart. So first, arrhythmia. An arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat is a problem with the rate or rhythm of your heartbeat. Your heart may beat too quickly, too slowly, or with an irregular rhythm. So arrhythmia divided by two. First, tachycardia and bradycardia. For the risk factor of arrhythmia, first, high blood pressure. Second, thyroid disease. Third, excessive alcohol. And last, coronary artery disease. So how to prevent? Get regular exercise, reducing stress, practice good sleep habit, and maintaining a healthy weight. Second is stroke. A stroke, sometimes called a brain attack, occurs when something blocks blood supply to part of the brain or when a blood vessel in the brain bursts. In either case, parts of the brain become damaged or die. A stroke can cause lasting brain damage, long-term disability, or even death. So risk factor for stroke: first, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, smoking, and high cholesterol. How to prevent it? If you have heart disease, get treatment. And stay at healthy weight, stop smoking, and keep your glucose and cholesterol levels in normal range.
As the conclusion, the cardiovascular system pumps blood through vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues while removing waste. It includes the heart and a network of vessels. The heart sends oxygenated blood through arteries to tissues via smaller vessels. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart and goes to the lungs for oxygenation. This cycle sustains cells and regulates blood pressure and clotting for health.